Hi everyone, I am Subba Raju Sir from Coding Masters. Are you looking for a data science course that not only teaches you the latest technologies but also gives you practical internship experience? Then this video is for you. Today, companies are not just looking for candidates with certificates. They want professionals who have hands-on experience working on real-world projects and understand how data science is applied in the industry. That's why at Coding Masters, we have designed a data science course with internship opportunities to help students gain both technical knowledge and practical exposure. During the program, you will learn industry-relevant technologies such as Python, SQL, statistics, data analysis, data visualization, machine learning, deep learning, Power BI, and Generative AI. More importantly, you will work on real-time projects and internship-based assignments that help you understand how companies solve business problems using data science. This practical experience helps you build a stronger resume, improve your problem-solving skills, gain confidence in handling real data sets, and prepare for technical interviews with greater confidence. Whether you are a student, graduate, fresher, or working professional looking to switch your career, this program is designed to help you become industry ready with practical experience. If you are serious about building a successful career in data science, I personally invite you to attend our free demo session. During the demo, we'll explain the complete course structure, internship opportunities, learning roadmap, and answer all your questions. We won't discuss fees in this video. You will receive all the complete details during the demo session. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you at Coding Masters. Your data science journey starts here.